people, back again with another step workout for you guys, and this one we're jumping into Dominica, so going into the Bouyon. You're probably familiar with this tune, Quan and Little Boy, Someone Else, and I'm here joined with the lovely, you're familiar with Frankie, and she'll be joining with this step routine, and we're going to break it down as best as we can for you guys so you guys can lead it, okay? So let's go for the first step. We're going to jump straight into it. So what I'm going to do, as I do with my step routines, I'm going to show the first step of the first segment of the routine, and then break it down, do that step to the music, stop, and then show you the next step, and just layer it on like that. Okay? So without the music, first step, what we're going to do, we're going to have Frankie showcase what that looks like. So the first step is up, down, up, down. Very nice and simple. And that is a
2 counts of 8.
2 counts of 8. Okay? So that's the first step, very simple, up and down. I'm gonna play the music, we're gonna see how that looks, and then we're gonna stop and then show you the second part and then go from there. Alright? Perfect. Let's do it. Let's go.
Maximum volume.
So we still step in front of it, no?
Pardon?
Are we still stepping in front of it, or do we go to the...
Yes,
That's lovely. Yes, okay, right. That's what we have you here. Okay, so we actually put the steps together, so this is G Fitness in collaboration with Frankie, so we both put this step routine together for you guys on the fly. Okay, so that was the first step, up and down, very simple. And then the next step, which Frankie's gonna show, is step, you're gonna put your hands out, bam, next side to love you like I do. She's showing, spreading all the love to you guys with her arms, so much love to give, lovely. Good, good, good. So that is, how many times do we go from left to right?
2 counts of 8.
2 counts of 8. What you're going to do with these steps is also good to count. So 1, this is what I tend to do. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever the number is, okay? So we're going to add that in and see how that looks. Let's go for it. From the time, how are you looking? Good job, guys. All right, guys, so that was the second step. So we had the up and down, and then you open out your hands, spreading 8 times. Yep, so we're going 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 steps, okay? Spreading all the love to you guys. Right, okay, so that was the second part. The third part, which Frankie's gonna show, very simple, up, whine, hands down, whine, hands up, down and wind. So you're moving that way. So we're getting a lot of waist movement there. This is good if you want to shred the inches around the waist, get your stomach looking like that or like this. It's going to take a bit more time, but you know the drill. Okay, wicked. So we're going to add that in to the after that last bit. Yeah. And I believe that is, how many times are we doing that? That is about 8 times, I believe, but we'll count as we go along anyway, okay? All right, guys, let's give us 1 second here, and we are gonna go for that one. All right, let's pull it up from the top. Lovely. So that is actually 8. How I count is up, down as 1. So that was 8 times together. But if you want to count as a 2, then it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 16. Okay? So after we go back up and down, then we're going to do the feet. So Frank is going to show that bit, how that looks. Yep. And go. Tap. Yep. Switch and switch. Good. So that's the next bit. Okay? So let's add that in and see how that looks full circle.
Little boy, how are you looking? What? What done? Little boy.
Yes, good. Lovely. So we had the double taps. Boom, switch, switch, switch. Yep. So that's the part after we had the wine, hands up, then you're gonna go into that. Then it's gonna bring us back to I hope you find someone else. Yeah, good, all right, boom. Then after that, so we already got that part down pat, we know that first part, so we're gonna go back to that. And then after that, we have Big Belly Season. Big Belly Season, before? It's the tap? Yeah, all right. So, the next one, we're gonna go into a squat. So it's gonna be squat, double tap, bam. Tap around and squat. Double tap and squat. Double tap and squat, okay? So that's the next one. I believe that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 steps. But let's put it back up. So we're gonna add the first, second, third, and then that next bit in, okay? So this song is a long one, okay? So just bear with us. All right, let's put it back up.
Little boy, how are you looking? What? What done? Little boy.
Good, lovely. Good, all right, so that brings us back to the top. So, we had that last bit that we just did was a squat, jump, tap, tap, squat, down, bam, bam, and squat. Yeah? So that was the next move. As you can see, before we got to that, we went back to number 1 and number 2. Then you go back to that. Then you're gonna enter in the new one, which is the squat, step down and up. Then we go back in to the first bit. Now, there's the next, that's the next one that we just did, is moving left to right. Big belly season, but it's not that season right now. This is flat belly season, hence why you're here learning these steps. Okay? So that was the next bit, and I believe after that, it's gonna go into, we're gonna go into another step where we come down, round, and on, right side, and back, over, just like that, okay? So we're gonna add that in, and then after that, we have the double taps around. So after we have that bit where we go around, I'll just show you guys that next bit because that is quite a simple movement, plus it's not on the step. So then the other step after that is, Frankie, go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, double tap. Yep. So it's, you're gonna go. Na 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 na. So there's a part of the song where it goes na 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 na. So it's gonna be na 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 na. Yep. And then from there, you're gonna do this freestyle, hands up wherever you like, and then it goes back into that first bit. Okay, then that should end up going to the second bit, and that will be the completion of the song. So again, just to highlight, I know some of you guys might struggle or might not be able to go around fully. So what you can do for alternative, which Frank is going to show, is this. Na 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 na. Good. That's it. So instead of moving around, you could stay one place and just move. Na, switch. So you could switch your side from left to right, okay? So that would be better if you struggle to do the going around, because I know it's requires a lot of energy, a lot of movement as well. And I know coordination sometimes, not everyone has the best coordination. So if you can't do that, then you can add in that as a alternative, okay? So let's pull that all together, merge it in nicely, and we're gonna go back also when we do the na 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 na, then we go back up, and then we'll conclude from there, and that will be the full workout session done. Okay? Let's go for it.
Little boy, how we looking? What? What now? Little boy.
Double tap. Love you like I do. Belly big, big. Woo.
What you want them talking in your head? Baby, your friend and them sitting in your bed with you. Baby, I don't do nothing on your head.
Like I do. Wicked. Lovely. So that is it, guys. So as you can, if you like, that last bit, you can continue with that step throughout the last song, or you can just come off and just vibe like how we did, okay? So that is it. That is the Bouyon, Kwan, Little Boy, Someone Else step routine. You saw it here first. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please smash the like button and also comment. Let me know how you found this workout, if you enjoyed it. All my Dominicans, Caribbeans, I want to see you guys in the comments. Make sure you do this one. And I also want to thank my lovely guest, Frankie, for joining in and helping. That's all right, my lovely. And helping us to break down the routine for you guys, okay? So that is it, guys. We will be delivering a lot more Soca Step routines and all the stuff that you love to see. And just want to thank you on my behalf, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. This year I'm moving like a carnival jumbo. I get it on bad with my hands.